Don't buy any laptop stand until you see this. Logitech Desk Casa. Ever felt like your own home is working against you? One minute, you're inspired. The next, you're hunched over a cluttered dining table, fighting for focus. It's a creativity killer, right? Your best ideas deserve a better space than a pile of books and a tangled charger. Drop a me in the comments if you've been battling your workspace just to get simple tasks done.
That nagging neck pain, the looming deadlines, and the sheer exhaustion from a setup that drains your energy, it's a recipe for burnout. The stress builds, and your best ideas feel just out of reach. You try to fix it, but that just means more wires and more clutter. But imagine if you could reclaim your focus and comfort instantly, without a complicated overhaul. Imagine a single fix. This is where the Logitech Casa Pop-Up Desk doesn't just enter the chat, it flips the whole table. Forget clumsy, separate accessories. This is a sleek, book-like kit that unfolds into a complete ergonomic workstation in seconds. Inside, you get a buttery-smooth wireless touchpad and a quiet, satisfying wireless keyboard that feel just like your laptop, only better. They magically dock and charge right inside the stand itself. Here's a quick story. One designer, drowning in last-minute revisions at her kitchen counter, said the Casa Pop-Up Desk felt like instant calm. The ergonomic stand raised her MacBook, relieving her neck strain immediately and letting her focus. She called it her portable command center. The best part? There's a hidden feature in the touchpad that speeds up workflow by 30%. Keep watching and I'll reveal that trick at the end. It's a genuine game changer.
The real magic isn't just the clever design, it's the feeling of total control and flow you get. This is about unlocking peak performance wherever you are. One top tech analyst noted, the Casa isn't a product, it's a unified ecosystem that solves the core problems of hybrid work. Thousands of users agree. A traveling consultant raved, "This thing replaced my bag of messy cables and chargers. My productivity on the road has doubled." Even digital nomad influencers are calling the Logitech Casa Pop-Up Desk the holy grail of portable workstations, since the keyboard and touchpad are always charged and ready. No more dead mouse, no more hunching, just pure, uninterrupted focus. What would you do with that extra hour of focus time each day? That satisfying click of the stand locking into place is the sound of your productivity soaring. Which feature would save your day the most? The instant ergonomics or the always charged peripherals? Comment below. This is your chance to completely redefine your workspace. The Logitech Casa Pop-Up Desk is in high demand, and this classic chic colorway often sells out fast. Join the thousands of professionals who have already ditched the clutter and neck pain for good. Don't get left behind working in discomfort. Click the link in the description to secure your portable workspace now. As a bonus, everyone who clicks gets access to a guide on unlocking that secret touchpad gesture I mentioned. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your workflow today.